Take a ride in the 2014 INFINITI QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, navigation system, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.